Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to MeatCranium Barbecue Review. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Kirby's Fishn Grill and Cooking Recipes. So anyhow, we decided to do a keto dish on our Weber kettle. Suggested to do a meatloaf. I'm like, well, I can do a meatloaf. I do a really good meatloaf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all a proprietary recipe that I have for meatloaf. I don't know if you've ever seen it anywhere else, but this is how I like to do meatloaf. And inside the meatloaf, I'm going to be using the Root Boy rub, number 1. I decided this right here, check this out. Look how beautiful this is. We got stuff in there. Look how meaty that is. And that's going to be perfect to go inside the meatloaf. Anyhow, I've already made the meatloaf. In fact, I already have it on the grill right now. What I did with the meatloaf is inside is going to be mushrooms, garlic, and onions. And then also I got some bacon bits I'm going to be putting in there as well. So, but the amount that I did for 3 pounds of meat. And I'm only going to be using 2 pounds of meat. So in the video, you're going to see I only use half that mixture inside the meatloaf mixture, but it's okay. It's good to eat just the way it is. So anyhow, let's get into the video, and y'all go check out Kirby's Fishn Grill and Cooking Recipes. I'll have the iCard, right here? Yeah, right there. Okay. So I love doing that thing now. I'll see y'all in a little bit. this thing to 150 internal. Y'all go check out Kirby, all right? Link will be down below in the description as well. I'm smoking it with pear wood. Pear wood is extremely good. It's similar to that of apple. It'd be a very nice complement to this. I have some pear wood. I got it from my mother and father-in-law's house up in Panama City. They have a pear tree, hickory tree, and also a pecan tree. And so that's where I got a lot of my wood from. Just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you. But I'll be fine. It might take a little time, but I think there'll be a lie that I'll say to my friends, but they'll know I'm not alright. Cause I saw forever in your eyes, but I think of forever. I think it's out of time. It's out of time. I think it's out of.
Okay, so right now the internal temperature is at 118 and it's getting dark, so I got my lights out. And at 140, I'm gonna be putting some sugar-free ketchup on here. Right here, carbs. It has 1 gram of carbs right there, and 0 fiber, 0 sugars. So this is definitely keto friendly right here. Okay, by G Hughes. Now I've done other ones like this, and I have barbecue sauce on there, but barbecue sauce isn't keto friendly. So this is what it's looking like right now. Internal temperature is 118. Again, a nice little color on there. I like that. It looks good. Ooh la la. So you can see that cheese and stuff starting to come out right there. You got cheese coming out, some of that Parmesan. It's awesome. All right, let's keep it going. And it's been maintaining right between 250 and 275, right in that range. So that's good. All right, y'all, just hit 140. It's time to put some ketchup on it. Look at that color on that thing. That is beautiful. Some sweet ketchup action on this. Sugar-free ketchup.
But I'll pretend I'm good till I'm the last man standing. I'll say I'm fine.
All right, y'all, and since there is no sugar in this ketchup, it's not going to burn and get all black. Get the lid back on here and go to 150 and we'll be done. So the last 10 degrees, we're gonna keep that ketchup on there. So next is gonna be pulling it off.
I think it's out of time. It's out of time. I'll say I'm fine.
All right, y'all, let's give this a try. There we go. Focus, 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 focus. My wife is watching me do a taste test. She loves watching me do taste tests. You know why? Because I'm very predictable. It's just so freaking good. You can taste that smoke in there. That makes it the best. Came out perfect, super moist. Y'all gotta try this recipe. All right, so y'all go check out Kirby's Fishn Grill and Cooking Recipes. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. I really don't care. Like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week. And hit the notifications bell if you want to get more notifications when I put out a video. All right.